Yo, 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 you know what's good, guys? You know I gotta put some cheery on for some sunset paradise. Delicious. We're gonna watch Meggy and our new little friend, the sheriff, try and knock out some baddies that are also potatoes. We'll probably get some new villains as the series goes on, but those stupid potatoes should have been eaten, I'm just saying. In any case, if you're ready, let's go ahead and jump straight in! Coconut boy, get out the way! Urgh. Heck yeah! Okay, I'm done. What the frick? Meggy, why are you the girl from The Ring? Crawling out of wells and crap. Wait, what the? Oh, frick! I'm watching the pilot again. Okay, I'm sorry. Ignore that. That didn't happen. None of that happened. You saw nothing. Shut up. What was that? What the frick? Why is there a fish? God dang it. It doesn't sound that bad. Jesus Christ. It's not even that bad though.
This is a robbery. Everyone, hands above your heads.
The Spud Buds. Their true power is friendship.
They don't go that high.
Forget it. Just jettison all your valuables into the sack.
Okay.
You can't take my baby. I'll die without her. You wanna test that theory?
Let's friggin' go!
Why am I always living these endless crazy days? But it's okay, I am setting up to begin.
Okay, Jasmine Freeman.
Feeling the sun all day where vacation Meggy stays.
Amber Foxy walks it what?
Meet you in sunset paradise.
Oh, dang it, it's already over. I should have listened harder. Audio good?
Where are those luggage-stealing tater tots?
Audio good. Oh, Jesus. What the frick? You did not just do that.
Sorry.
Cool wrestling move. Can you teach me how to do that?
Sure.
No.
Maybe later, Aury. How'd street interviews go?
Oh, it was hard. People don't like talking to me for some reason. So instead, I printed out a bunch of these.
Bruh. Dang, he's good at those. What? Jesus! Really? You couldn't fight the potatoes, but you can do that?
Investigate together. Maybe I can show you a thing or two.
Oh, actually on that, I also stopped at the printer for another reason. You said you didn't want to be my partner, but what about supervisor?
Hey! That's so nice. So you're above him.
I guess that wouldn't be the end of the world.
You're above him now on the hierarchy.
Normal?
No, massive explosions are banned on weekdays.
What? What about weekends?
Salutations, my...
It's been 3 minutes and I already got hiccups. Man, screw this series. God dang it. Okay. Where were we?
Simple-minded spuds. So Slick, scope the scheme. Surprises on our side, so we should
What?
sneak up and...
Supervisor skirmish squad, strike!
So Squirt. Scoop the squeeb.
Sprint off, screaming.
Okay.
We've been sprung. Scram!
Bruh. How you gonna run now? You cowards, get back here. Bro. Bro, dang! Notice how all the other people in this town got knocked out by apples, but Aury just took a watermelon to the head and was fine. To the face, no matter. Mario? Somebody's been learning. Let's go, Meggy. Aury, for the love of God, take the watermelon off your face. Why did you...
Smashing, Supervisor!
Bruh.
Ugh, we're gonna lose them. We need to climb to higher ground.
There we go. Good eye. No! Bro, you just... That was assault and battery.
I see them. Good work, Deputy.
Aww. Good catch, though. Damn. Oh my lord. Stop dying.
Hold up, Deputy. I'll find something to help you cross.
Not necessary. I've already got everything I need right here.
In your heart?
My sense of self-belief.
Yes, his heart. He almost got
I
it.
believe, I believe, I believe.
Go ahead and take him. There we go.
First piece of supervisor advice. Self-belief is good, but upper body strength is better.
That's the fresh new thinking I need, Supervisor.
This kid is amazing. And you can use him as a projectile because he bounces.
We did it!
Bro.
Second supervisor strategy. Stick to the shadows and surprise those scum. Sound smart?
Solid.
Yeah, I don't know how you thought you were gonna surprise them when you're atop glass. Wee.
We are having a conversation.
God dang it.
Murmuring. Where's the button to stop the recording?
Well, look who dropped in.
Bow.
Leave a message after the beep.
Bruh. Where did the eagle come from? Where the heck? You've got to be free. Was that a meteorite?
Wait, where'd they go?
That's it.
This was a bust. Let's retreat and regroup, boys.
I thought you said you had night vision.
No, I said I had nice vision. You know, I got laser eye surgery last month.
Oh. Okay. Oh, you got one.
Oh, well. One potato, one potato.
You ain't got nothing on me. I ain't stole nothing my whole life.
Dang.
I don't know how that got in there.
Well, allow us to jog your memory.
Did you just kidnap him?
Welcome to the interrogation
Or
room.
spudnap him?
This looks like your kitchen.
Bruh.
And in this interrogation room, we will use every method at our disposal to make you talk. Like this glass of water. So refreshing to drink. But annoying when someone splashes you with it!
What the?
I am so sorry.
You threw the
My
cup?
hand slipped and
Stand down, Deputy. I'll handle this.
Whoa! What the frick? Hey, I support it fully. Please, go ahead and roast him. I would love to have him for dinner. Bro, yes.
Hey,
I beg-
I'm here to, collect my baby, man.
What?
We're a little busy right
Who the
now.
heck are you?
If you're here for your instrument, it's over there.
My baby!
Good for him.
You like music, Mr.
What the frick?
What? No, I hate it. In fact, I don't even know what that is.
Really? Well, maybe we should introduce it to you then.
I don't know what that
Going
is.
with this.
It's okay. I have a plan.
This is actually not bad. Oh, yes it is. They made it worse. Okay, please stop. This is horrible. Wait, what?
You do like music.
Alright, I admit it. I always wanted to be a musician, but I had to follow in my dad's footsteps and become the dumb muscle for an international criminal organization instead.
International? You guys are literally 4 potatoes. What? Your father would be disappointed.
Dumb muscle for an international criminal organization
So,
instead.
you were a disappointment.
It's not too late. You still have a chance to start your career. Maybe even become a star. Star.
Okay. Oh, his mom. Okay, but in all seriousness, I gotta, bro. You live on such a small island. If you do any sort of music, then everyone in the island is gonna know you and see you as a celebrity. Because there are only like 4 musicians in the whole freaking city. I do not know why you in to any capacity believe that you were not capable of this. Like, you should have started a long time ago.
Stop. Just tell us where your friends are hiding, and then we can help you make those dreams a reality.
Or give him an instrument now, and he can tell you later. She wanted to fry him. I did too. I wanted to fry him too. Fried potatoes, baked potatoes, roasted potatoes, anything.
He's gonna kill us. He's gonna murderize us. He's gonna chop us up and turn us into French fries.
Good.
Don't worry about the big boss. He's all the way in his secret hideout. Nothing but a walking radio to us.
Yeah, if he yells again, me and Duke can just turn the volume down. Right, Duke?
Bruh.
It's good to not respond when people are talking to you.
You really took...
Starch brain. That ain't Duke. Where the road is he?
Relax. He's probably locked himself in the safe again.
Okay, that's
I
funny.
guess he's dead.
Why is that the only other
What's
option?
the scheme? Spook 'em and smash in?
No, I spied Slack security, so we should...
Slip in stealthily and stick 'em while their squad is squabbling.
Smart, Slick.
It's all right.
Why the frick do you
Stupid
keep...
son of a...
Why do you
How
keep
dare
doing
Duke.
this?
Departed too soon. Still hear him screaming.
Good to see you alive, Duke.
Attaboy. I knew you weren't dead. And you even brought the deputy right to us.
That's right. But he did it so we could mash your taters.
He's on our
Well-
side now.
Okay, first of all, pause. And second, it would be mash you taters, because they ain't got testicles. They're just potatoes.
He's gonna be a musician.
Duke, is this true?
Sorry, guys.
Why did you...
They gave me a way out.
Duke, how could you?
After all we've been through, you gonna sell us out for a song, Dookie boy?
Dookie.
Remember
Okay,
growing up
that's funny.
together in the potato patch? Literally dirt poor.
Or all the times we had each other's backs fighting the asparagus army?
And all the fun we had together, looting and pillaging those children's hospitals.
What?
You're right.
I knew we should have just blowtorched him.
Yes, you should have.
Talent, Duke. Are you just gonna throw that away? What about your dreams?
Just dreams.
Ah! Supervisor! No!
Oh, they're acting. Okay. I don't know how I didn't put that together earlier. This was obviously part of the plan. But why didn't they... They should have included Aury in this.
Biddy, you'll be rendezvousing with her soon enough.
Why didn't Aury know that this was just a... What the frick? There ain't no way that that stupid thing saved her.
Huh? Dang it! Can't anybody stay dead today?
No.
Come on, garbage. Recycle something good for me.
What the... Luigi?
Supervisor says, suck it, Spuds.
She's Mario and Luigi today, and... Wait, the
Recycle
frick?
something,
How did...
Buds.
How did she do that? Really? Bruh. She's actually Luigi. Really, Aury?
Something wrong, deputy?
Just kick him.
Tickles a bit.
This man got tickled by a bowl on his head. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I'm sorry, but... Bro. What the... What kind of wizardry was that? This girl... Wingardium Leviosa.
Sorry.
Wingardium Leviosa.
I thought I was out, but they pulled me back in. It's hard to turn your back on your family.
I understand. I know all too well what it's like living up to family expectations.
Aw.
If you want your suitcase, it's over there.
Thanks, Duke. Really? Oh, come on. This is the cat. The Foxy Woxy.
That! Get back here with my suitcase! Ooh, sorry, Supervisor. Should we go after her?
Nah, it's getting late.
Next
Come
episode.
on, let's get rid of this trash.
Next episode. Bro, buy him an instrument. Stop being mean.
On the bright side, Supervisor, we beat a whole criminal gang today.
Yeah, but I'm back to square one on getting my stuff back.
Or, on the bright side, we have another adventure to go on together!
Hey!
Stop sweating, Supervisor! We'll snag that suitcase swindler!
Exactly, it's 2 on 1.
Sure.
And now for our next act. It's the Ora Bora Beat Boy Brothers with their hit song, Don't Ever Give Up on Your Dreams.
That's the name of the song. Bro.
Out, Duke. This ain't funny.
I don't know. It's kind of cozy, like a mother's warm embrace.
How would you know, Mash? You never had a mother.
Aw. Bro, somebody buy Duke a freaking instrument. Do 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 do. Okay. The Power Rangers in the back. Bro, why did he fall? Bro, Aury, you gotta start standing up more, bro. Hi. Bye. That cute little outro, bro. Okay. I don't know why I keep saying bro. I think I'm broken. Alright, let me turn that thing down a bit. If you guys enjoyed that video, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. I know I should probably move back to my more suitable venue, but it is what it is. Do 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 do. Okay. Oh. I don't know why I like listening to my. Wait, yes I do, because I made it for myself. Okay, you guys are loved, appreciated, you're doing amazing things, and spaghetti is delicious. Eat good things, keep your body healthy. Happy Memorial Day weekend. I'm out. Peace. Did it? Dude.